Get this amazing reward on Discord. All you need to do, just like this video and subscribe to my channel. Okay guys, when you open your Discord today like me and move here to discover, scroll here down to quests, you will see here claim 1 day of Nitro, Mission Impossible puzzle quest. As you can see, solve the first puzzle in the Mission Impossible puzzle Discord activity to win 1 day of Nitro. Just go here launch activity quest, click on it and go here authorize. Just play game, go here begin, just use objects to solve this puzzle. First step, you find knife. Second step, just click here and you find key. Just go here take, just open book and you will see here, put here key. After that you will get this new battery, go here take, use camera, click here on object and you will get this little micro dot. Just go take. Click this, put battery. Take a photo, use this, go take, and you have this too. And you will get on book here, just use this, go take. Put here table, and you will get a password, I think. Let's try this. The code is okay, we haven't find it. After you finish this like me. Holy crap. When you finish this, you will get this. Level 2, go take. Mission complete. After you finish this like me, go back. Just first level. You will see claim 1 day of Nitro. Go here, claim reward. Click on it. Verify here like me. And you will get cool Discord reward Nitro on your Discord profile. And that's it all guys for this video, how to get cool Discord reward Nitro for your Discord profile. If you find this guide helpful, like and subscribe to the channel and tell me in comments how many minutes do you need to solve this puzzle.